Deep inside Apple's top secret warehouses, there's a product that is completely finished, boxed up, and sitting on pallets right now. Yet, Tim Cook is absolutely refusing to let you buy it. Why? Because releasing it today would ruin the biggest software revolution Apple has planned for the next decade. If you are even thinking about buying a smart speaker right now, you need to put your wallet away immediately. The HomePod Mini 2 is finally coming this fall, and it is packing a hidden arsenal of upgrades that will completely redefine what a smart home hub is supposed to be. Welcome back to TechVibe, your ultimate destination for the most authentic, hard-hitting tech leaks and deep dives. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the Apple HomePod Mini 2. We are going to break down the exact release window, the strategic pricing, and the secret local artificial intelligence architecture that changes everything. Make sure you stick around until the very end, because the real reason Apple delayed this launch is going to make you look at your current smart home setup in a completely different way. Let us get into it. For months, the rumor mill has been spinning out of control regarding Apple's smart home ecosystem. The original HomePod Mini launched way back in October 2020. In the fast-paced tech world, that makes it an absolute dinosaur. It has been running on the S5 chip, which was originally designed for the Apple Watch Series 5. But according to the latest supply chain leaks and top-tier industry analysts, the second-generation HomePod Mini, operating under the internal codename B525, has actually been ready for mass production for quite some time. So what exactly is the holdup? The answer is incredibly strategic. Apple made a deliberate, calculated decision to delay the hardware refresh until the fall of 2026. They did this to ensure absolute alignment with the launch of iOS 27, iPadOS 27, and the highly anticipated, fully realized rollout of Apple Intelligence. Apple realized that launching a new smart speaker with the old, frustratingly limited version of Siri would be a massive missed opportunity and a public relations nightmare. They are holding the hardware back so that when you finally unbox the HomePod Mini 2, it acts as the ultimate vessel for their revamped AI-powered conversational assistant. This is not just a standard speaker update. It is the Trojan horse for Apple's entire artificial intelligence strategy inside your living room. To make this ambitious vision a reality, the internal architecture of the HomePod Mini 2 is getting a monumental overhaul. The aging S5 chip is being completely scrapped. In its place, leaks heavily indicate that Apple is dropping in a significantly more capable modern processor, highly likely to be the S10 chips. This is the exact same silicon powerhouse driving their latest premium wearables, and putting it inside a compact smart speaker is a total game changer. But you might be wondering, why does a tiny speaker need so much raw processing power? It all comes down to local processing and absolute privacy. In the past, when you asked Siri a question, your voice had to be recorded, beamed up to a server, processed in the cloud, and sent back down. This caused latency, constant misunderstandings, and major privacy concerns for anyone who actually cares about their personal data. With the S10 chip and Apple Intelligence, the HomePod Mini 2 is expected to process complex, conversational voice requests entirely on the device itself. This means lightning-fast response times. You can speak to Siri naturally, ask follow-up questions without awkwardly repeating the wake word every 5 seconds, and command your smart home with absolute zero lag. For the premium market, where privacy is entirely non-negotiable, this on-device AI processing is the ultimate selling point. Your audio data, your daily routines, and your household habits stay locked down within the walls of your own home, completely encrypted. Apple is betting big that this level of speed and military-grade security will make you ditch every other smart device you currently own from their competitors. But a smart brain is entirely useless if it cannot communicate efficiently, and this is exactly where the HomePod Mini 2 truly flexes its muscles as a smart home dictator. Apple is heavily rumored to be integrating their custom N1 networking chip alongside an upgraded U2 Ultra Wideband chip. You will be able to walk into your house listening to a podcast or a high-fidelity spatial audio track. Simply point your phone in the general direction of the HomePod Mini 2, and the audio will seamlessly transfer with incredibly precise visual and haptic feedback right on your phone screen. Furthermore, the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E capabilities ensures that this speaker will have an unbreakable, blazing fast connection to your home network. Dropped signals, smart lights not responding, and endless buffering will be a thing of the past. Beyond Wi-Fi, the new HomePod Mini will serve as a heavily fortified Matter hub and thread border router. With Apple having officially ended support for their legacy HomeKit architecture, they are aggressively paving the way for a unified, ultra-responsive thread network. This means your smart bulbs, smart locks, and smart thermostats will react instantly when commanded by the HomePod Mini 2, completely transforming the efficiency and reliability of your daily routine. Now, let us talk about the physical design and the overall audio experience. If you are hoping for a massive, radical redesign with a built-in touchscreen display, you might have to wait for the long-rumored HomePod Touch that is supposedly coming later down the line. The HomePod Mini 2 is expected to maintain its iconic spherical mesh aesthetic. It is a minimalist design that blends seamlessly into premium home decor, so Apple sees absolutely no reason to reinvent the wheel just for the sake of it. However, there are some highly requested physical tweaks coming your way. Supply chain reports suggest Apple is finally introducing a removable power cable, mirroring the incredibly convenient design of the second-generation full-size HomePod. This drastically improves long-term repairability and makes routing the cable through tight entertainment centers or complex desk setups so much easier. On the visual side, we are expecting a fresh lineup of vibrant colors, including a deeply saturated new red option that was reportedly spotted in early testing phases, alongside sleek, updated versions of Midnight and Starlight. But when it comes to the actual audio quality, Apple is definitely not sitting still. While the physical footprint remains impressively compact, the acoustic engineering is getting heavily refined. Expect tweaked internal drivers and passive radiators that deliver a noticeably richer bass response and enhanced clarity for vocal frequencies. Combined with the computational audio capabilities of the new S-Series chip, the HomePod Mini 2 will actively analyze the acoustics of your specific room in real time. It will constantly adjust its own equalization to output the perfect sound profile, making high-fidelity spatial audio tracks feel wider, deeper, and more immersive than ever before. When can you actually get your hands on one? And how much is it going to drain from your wallet? As we established earlier, Apple is meticulously aligning this hardware release with their major artificial intelligence software rollout. You can firmly expect the HomePod Mini 2 to be officially unveiled this fall of 2026, launching in tandem with iOS 27 and the next-generation Apple TV 4K, with retail units hitting store shelves shortly after the official keynote presentation. But here's the absolute best part regarding Apple's overarching business strategy. Despite the massive leap in processing power, the flawless integration of on-device Apple Intelligence, and the upgraded ultra-wideband networking chips, Apple is highly expected to aggressively maintain the $99 price point. They do not view the HomePod Mini strictly as a profit-driving standalone speaker. They view it as the ultimate gateway drug into the locked-down Apple smart home ecosystem. By keeping the barrier to entry at a highly affordable $99, they make it incredibly tempting for consumers to buy 3, 4, or even 5 of these units to place in every single room of their house. This strategic pricing allows users to effortlessly create an interconnected mesh of high-fidelity audio and instant artificial intelligence access throughout their entire living space without breaking the bank. This is exactly why you need to hold off on buying any smart home audio gear right now. The entire tech landscape is about to shift dramatically in just a few short months. The HomePod Mini 2 is not just an iterative update to sell more units. It is the critical missing link that will finally make Apple's long-standing vision of an intelligent, private, and entirely frictionless smart home a reality. We want to hear from you now. Are you planning to completely upgrade your current setup to the HomePod Mini 2 this fall, or are you stubbornly holding out hope for a premium smart speaker with a built-in interactive display? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below, because we read every single one of them and we love seeing your predictions. If you found this deep dive valuable and want to stay ahead of the curve on all the latest tech releases before anyone else even knows about them, you know exactly what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to TechVibe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a crucial update. Until next time, keep your tech upgraded and your vibes high. We will see you in the next video.